discount code JacobViral when you shop.
2 Resilient Sound Team 18s on the JP 4300 wired at 1 ohm.
Okay.
This is Joel Walker's build.
Okay.
He always wanted to bring it here to Sundown Audio, so we made it happen for him this year.
Nice. All right.
Florida.
Wow. Well, these are really cool ports, the way they extended them out. Do you know the size on the octo on those at all? Like 6-inch probably.
Yes, sir. They
Roughly.
are 6 inch.
Really big motors.
Oh,
Wow. Do you know the tunings on this?
That I do not.
You know? It's all
No.
good.
Joel,
Probably around 22 to 50 or something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
And what's your alternator battery?
It has a CES, oh no, I'm sorry, Brand X,
Okay.
320, and then 2 CES 8 amp hour.
Okay. So this has got really good bandwidth. I think I've heard this one before.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Joel normally had a B2 0.1 on each.
On each, okay.
Yeah. So I'm getting it repaired, then they'll go back in.
Really efficient box. I'm gonna go look at the amps in the back and all.
Okay.
This video is sponsored by NVX, and today I have the N-Series NVX budget level 8-inch subwoofer. The N-Series comes in an 8, 10, or 12-inch sub size. This is the 8-inch size here, rated at 400 watts RMS or 800 watts peak power. It has a 10.5mm X-Max and a 90-ounce double stack ferrite magnet with a 2-inch high-temperature copper voice coil with aluminum former, and plays at a range frequency response of 20 to 200 Hz. If you want to learn more, check out links in the description. Thank you for sponsoring this video, NVX.
Oh, you have AC running.
Oh yeah.
So what's your name? Roy. I already know Roy. All right, yeah, I'd love to hear it.
She calls me, I say that I'm only fucking excuse me. You lying pussy, that's what shit. We pass pussy round, that's your shit. But you ain't fam, so what is this we shit? You cuff yours and then little shit. Listen, I'm set
really clean flat response, and man, I'm sure you probably could handle more power on these too. It's pretty crazy how much throw it has for the power on them.
Joel normally had a B2 0.1 on each.
On each, okay.
Yeah. So I'm getting repaired, then they'll go back in.
Really efficient box, so nice job. Nice to meet you again, Roy.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go look at the amps in the back and all.
Okay. Have a great day.
You too, man.